Hello everyone. Uh, this is the full moon reading for our Virgos. Full moons are all about releasing negativity or whatever is unhealthy in your life. You can release that on full moon day. So let's begin. In the past, my dear Virgos, you have King of Pentacles in the reverse, Death in the reverse, and the Hermit. In the present, you have Ten of Wands in the reverse, you have King of Cups, and you have Queen of Wands in the reverse. In the future, you have the Three of Three of Swords, the World in the reverse, and the Eight of Wands. And the challenge for you, my Virgos, is the Nine of Wands. Now, first, let's talk about the Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands shows that you have fought many battles, at least 8 battles behind you, and you are standing with the last one. You are in a defensive mode, you are feeling a little wounded, but you are ready to face. You are trying to protect yourself, you are in self-defense mode. So now first of all, let's begin with the past. In the past, Virgo, somewhere you have stability issues because you have King of Pentacles in the reverse, and you have death. Death actually means not the actual death, but it means the beginnings and the endings. So there is a new beginning, and whatever has gone past is bygone. Let bygones be bygones. Start, it's a new beginning. I mean, you already have got a new beginning for yourself, and you're a hermit mode. That means you are analyzing things, you are in isolation, you are observing things, and definitely you are you are at the feeling a bit lonely, but you are going introspecting yourself. This is all in the past. Now if we come in the present, we have Ten of Wands in the reverse. Somewhere, Virgos, you have had some baggage which you're trying to release. This full moon, you have a burden on yourself, you are trying to relieve this burden, and you're feeling much lighter now, and you are a little passive also. You are relaxing, you are in isolation, as we have already said that you are in the hermit mode, you are introspecting things, so you are not very active right now, and you are just waiting for things to unfold themselves. In the future, we have the Three of Swords, the World, and the Knight of Wands. In the future, definitely there is some unfinished business. You have had a heartbreak, you are hurt thoroughly, and there was something which you needed to complete in your life. There is some cycle, there is something, it could be related to a situation, to a person. I mean, you have not finished resolving those issues in your life, so that's called unfinished business. So there is something pending, there is something which needs to be resolved. So whatever it is, just do it, Virgos. Whether it's it will create a little heartbreak, but then you will feel much lighter, and for this you have to take action. You have to this person, as you can see, the Knight of Wands is heading towards something, towards some goal. So you need to take action, you need to resolve the issues, you need to finish a business with somebody, some karmic account, some karmic give and take, you have to finish it off. So this is your your reading, Virgos. And what is the message this full moon is having for you? The message is, or the advice the tarot is giving you is the Wheel of Fortune in the reverse, the Hanged Man, and the Eight of Swords. Now, Wheel of Fortune is also showing, a circle coming full circle, and the World is also showing a circle. So there are definitely some circle, some cycle is unfinished. There is a time of change. Now, change could head towards, it could be for good, or it could be better, or it could be for worse, but change is definitely happening. And you should let go of any situation. You are stuck up, actually, Virgos. You're not wanting to see a situation, you're not wanting to see a reality as a reality. You just don't want to see the reality. I don't know why you are stopping yourself. You can see this woman, she's got she's blindfolded, and she's not trying to see the real picture or the real situation. So what the tarot is advising you is to please open this blindfold. Just take it off and then see let go of a situation. Let go of the situation, because this is the time for change and you have to accept it. You will have to accept it whether you like it or not. This is what the tarot is advising. So please accept the change, all the Virgos. And this is what I have for you today for the full moon day. You please let go or surrender. Let go or surrender or any cycle or any karmic accounts with anyone, and feel happy. And I hope this helped. So thank you for tuning in, and see you next time. Bye bye.